everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is an amazing day because we're going on vacation. It's 2 days, but yeah, we are going to Sunshine Coast. See this one? This always wants to show, but this is my crew. Mommy, say hello. That's my daddy. Say hello, daddy. Hello. Hello. Okay, anyway, we are ready and we are heading out now. We'll see you guys. Our first stop is Sealife. It's Sealife on Sunshine Coast, Akulandra. So yeah, we will see you when we get there.
Just be very gentle and don't push them up, okay? They're very safe and very friendly to touch. Some a little bit easier to reach over on this side.
That's where Grandpa is.
Is that real?
Is that?
They're all real.
They're all real.
It's small. Do you see this one? He's been flipped over. He was on the grass, on the glass, and he fell over. So you can see all of his little feet. They're moving.
Wow.
And he'll start to turn the arm over very shortly. You see there's a little shrimp here too, sweet. We've got some seafood. This one's having breakfast right now. He's eating the sand. That one's not eating. It's eating.
That was a school.
Yeah, that was a school. Seahorse. Get really close. Yeah.
I only want to see pufferfish. Is that any Look at that fish. Look at that fish. It's like... And this place smells like some very pizza. Yes, you can smell pufferfish.
No, some girl can buy food. I'm sure they have things with
Oh yeah, cowfish.
cowfish.
I want to see pufferfish.
Penguins.
Levi!
What's this? Oh,
Crawfish! Crawfish!
clown anemone fish. Jeez. No. What is this? Ah, yes.
Do you know the movie name Five Nemo?
Tutu should have been. Mommy,
What is that?
oh my God, flower. Oríṣiríṣi creature.
Mommy, do you know the movie name Nemo?
I don't know.
But that looks like
Who is for me? I don't know who is for me. Ṣé gbogbo òkìní rẹ̀ jalè?
Mi ò mọ̀ o. Ọ̀tọ́ bá lọ kà mọ́.
Look at this one.
See this one.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Their hat is like blue.
How do you know your
Is that a lava fish?
What's that?
A turtle! A turtle! A turtle. A turtle. That's not a usual turtle. It's a different type of turtle. Look at this big fish.
What?
A shark. This is a shark. A shark.
Cosmo, what animal is this?
Stingray? Eh? Stingray? What's a stingray?
Stingray.
Stingrays. There will be some of these.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time.
Yes, those are seals.
I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside.
Mama, sit.
Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. Just take a hint, you got a free pass. Oh, try to hide it, but you had me from the get-go. Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games? No, there's no denying what we want. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me.
And he was found down on the Gold Coast suffering from some cookie cutter shark bites on his upper and lower abdomen. He was found at a young age and it took him almost 3 years to fully recover. Being that it took him such a long time, the government had deemed him unsuitable for release. So he now lives with us here at Seal Island as a very proud ambassador for his species. Big wave up to Sly. Alright, now Sly is just one of 7 seals that call Sealife home. We've got 4 different species. We've got the long-nosed fur seals, an Australian fur seal, a sub-Antarctic fur seal, and an Australian sea lion. Now, although they are different species, they all fall under the same family of seal. This is known as the Otaridae family, more simply the eared seal. They get this name due to these little external ear flaps here on the sides of their head. Next slide. Another common feature to all of eared seals is their great big front flippers. They use their front flippers to help propel themselves through the water, reaching speeds of up to 40 kilometers per hour. Now, they've also got some smaller rear flippers back here that they use to help change direction and turn corners under the water. On top of them, they've also got some little toenails that they use to help scratch and groom their fur coats. And something that a lot of people don't know about these seals, they've got a little tail back here as well. Thank you, Sly. Now, along with these very useful flippers, they've also got incredibly strong hip joints. They use their hip joints to walk, run, and climb across the land. Believe it or not, they are so fast. They can actually outrise one eye over a short distance of up to 50 meters. This hip joint is so strong that Sly can even use it to stand up. Do you want to show that for us today, Sly? You want to show everyone how you stand up on those On that side. Let's give it up this side. Now they are very impressive on land. Being an ear seal, they have that really flexible hip joint that allows them to do so. But as I mentioned, they are also very fast through the water, reaching those speeds of 40 kilometres. Now we're going to get Sly to demonstrate this with a behaviour known as bowing crossing. This is a really energy efficient way that these seals travel long distances out there in the wild. So Sly. So guys, you may have noticed that Sly comes up out of the water. He's actually taking a breath in. He goes underwater, continuing on his way, breathing out while he's under the water. Being that he is a mammal like you and I, he needs to breathe the air out here. And being that they're able to travel such long distances by surfacing the water frequently, means they can sometimes outrun those predators. Well, Sly, you have done a great job out here this morning, but we are going to keep your spot nice and short because we have time to meet a few more seals during this presentation if we do so. But I know how much you love to use a microphone. Would you like to say goodbye? Alright, you can head off. For release by the government. This is because it becomes increasingly difficult for these seals to be able to survive out there in the ocean with this dim eyesight. But Nelson is thriving here. Want to say hi? Thank you, Nelson. Well done. Water and raising up 1 to 4 flippers into the sea breeze. The breeze comes past cooling down the blood within them and can then selectively circulate this throughout the rest of their body. And this is known as saline or thermoregulation. Now moving on from this, guys, I'm actually going to do a bit of a physical check out here with Nelson. So about 80% of the training that we do with all of our seals is actually for husbandry. And this means it's behaviours that allow us to check over the seals from the tip of their nose all the way down. So I can check over your body. Great work. Now some of these behaviours might look very simple. One of these just being a lie down or a roll over in Nelson's case. That's actually not what I asked. Nelly, can we come back up? We can have a look at that in just a moment. So can you lie down? Well done. So in this position, being that Nelson was a wild animal, this is a very vulnerable position for him to be in. But having him in this position allows us to get blood drawn from in between the webbing of their rear flippers. And this allows us to really detect the health that's happening inside their bodies. Good. Because they are very good at masking any form of pain. Out in the wild, it becomes, I guess, bad for the animals to show any form of pain because when they do, the predators also target them. So they always need to look as strong as they can to prevent those predators. Now, Nelson also showed us a bit of a rollover, which I'm going to ask him to do once again. Thank you, Nelson. And this allows, if we had any females, to get a little bit of an ultrasound in this position so that we can check on the pups whilst they're there. But we also need to check the underside of these seals every single day as well. We also check in their eyes and inside their mouth. Now, checking inside the seal's mouth may sound a little bit scary, but with the form of a cube, a very simple cube, it allows us to do that stress-free for both us and the animal. Thank you. So these seals are trained to also have an electric toothbrush go over their teeth so that we can brush their teeth and also put mouthwash through there as well. With the seals, especially the older ones, bark build-up in gum disease is very common. So we want to make sure that we are preventing that as much as we possibly can. Alright, Nelly, you've been a great job out here today. I also know that you like to use the microphone to say goodbye.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? tonight. We could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that.
So we're at our hotel now. I booked 2 rooms. That's because obviously my parents. So I was making that funny sound. Anyway, they're in the car. I came to check out the rooms, and I just want to quickly do a room tour before my entourage they pack themselves and come. Anyway, this is the room. Nothing extra about this room, to be honest. I've stayed in better hotels, and the car park is just here. The view is not viewing at all. Like, I've stayed in better hotels, to be honest. To think of the price we paid for this one, I'm like, huh? Anyway, this is the room me and the kids will be staying. This is their executive whatever room. I don't know what it's called, but anyway, it comes with 2 beds, very basic, nothing special. And then comes with this mini bar. Is there a fridge in here? Oh, okay, so you can make tea, coffee, and this is a fridge. So like I said, very basic, simple, nothing special at all. And this is the wardrobe, I believe. Comes with iron board, lockbox, and there's a TV, of course. And then there's all these drawers here. Nothing special. I'm just doing 360 of the room. Okay. I'm going to drop my camera while I go get orders. So let's go to the bathroom. What's in the bathroom? Again, nothing special. I've stayed in pretty hotels before. Everything is just basic. I think the selling point of this hotel, to be honest, is, so I didn't mention the name. This is Oaks Resort in Sunshine Coast. The selling point of this hotel actually is the park they have for kids. So that's the selling point, because to be honest, for the price we paid, nah, it is not given. It's not given. But this is the 2-bed one. This is the, I think, executive family room. So we have another executive whatever room. Let me go and sit down and then go get orders. I need to grab a cat. I'll drop my bag and other things here. The only good thing is the other room is just opposite, so we stay here. My parents will stay here. Yeah. So this is their room. Very similar, almost the same. It's just that that one has 2 beds in it. Almost the same. Like, the bathroom is basically the same. And then this is the room. Here's the lights. This is the room. Same setting, same. Nothing special. What's the view here? Oh, the view is the water park. Okay. The view here will show you the selling point of this hotel. See, it's the water park. It is raining at the moment, so this is the selling point of this hotel, the water park. That's it. And then there's a pool. And the pool, and then there's the water park. That's the selling point of this hotel. I know that if I grab them now, in 1 second, this whole place will be upside down. So that's why I'm like, I'm gonna film this first before they all come inside. But that's it. That's the room tour. Hopefully the rain will subside and we can still go outside to play. I'm going to go swimming with the kids. Hopefully I still remember how to swim. It's been weeks. I won't say months. It's been weeks since I last swam, whatever. But yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys when I get them.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but
You don't want to go to the water park? Okay, let's go. Huh? No, you. There's a stairs there. Go follow the food. Outfit check.
sleep. Hear the crickets sing. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight.
I swim to you.
Found what we're looking for in life. Things are finally right.
Because I have to swim to mommy. Where's your favorite here? Where's your
We don't need no more. Can wear the memories
Grandma. This is the best holiday ever! We have a fun vacation!
Go.
Is it video?
Yeah.
Can you now do me? Now can you do me?
Oh yeah.
Stop it.
No. Day 2 is here. We've just woken up and I think it is about 7:30 now. We want to go for breakfast because actually there is breakfast buffet included in our package. So I don't want to miss it. I'm not gonna lose that money. So yeah, I've just freshened up. The kids freshened up earlier and then they went to their grandparents' room. I'm going to go and join them now. See my face looking fresh. Anyway, so I'm going to go and join them now and then we'll all go for breakfast together. Hopefully my parents are ready. I'm trying to look for my slippers, but yeah, I'll show you guys what the buffet looks like. Already people are asking me for the names of this place on Instagram because I've been dropping snippets, right? But the hotel is not all that. Just bear that in mind. I think I said that when I did the room tour, but they have amazing facilities, which is the water park for kids and the pool, because I was swimming in the deepest part of the pool yesterday and I'm like, bruh, are you joking? So I can now swim. I'm no more the mom that sits at the edge of the pool and monitoring the kids. Wow, we've grown. Anyways, the hotel is not all that, but they have a lot of things around. Like there's Golden Beach just around the corner, which I think we'll go to later today. There's Australian Zoo, which is about 20-something minutes away from here. There's Sealife, which I showed you guys yesterday, very close to this place. So it's kind of central that you can have a heavy packed vacation. Like you can visit different places whilst here. And then, they have the theme park. They have a lot of things out in the complex as well. So anyway, so my bag. I love this bag so much. I got it from Colette, just in case you like it. But anyway, let me go meet them now, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.
It said giant chocolate.
I was unable to film much when we went for breakfast, and after breakfast we went to the beach. Unfortunately, the beach was closed as well, so we're just walking around. There's no much to sell. Show you guys whatever we get up to, but yeah, not so much. A young papa. Oh my God, that is you.
Are we going around now?
Yeah. A youngie. A youngie. Mom's wear glasses.
Really good on this vacation.
Can you leave my tripod? Thank you.
I don't know how to.
Mbale and Kolori. Baby girl. Ah. You are a drama queen, Fury. And this is me.
I could not walk.
I want nǹkan tó kọ̀ jábọ́ lọ́wọ́ àwọn èèyàn ni. Ó máa jábọ́ lọ́wọ́ àwọn èèyàn. I don't know what.
His hands,
This beach seems to be empty and closed.
frees me
I haven't did it.
all my.
So we are just walking around.
It's wearing a hat.
A hat.
I am no fear, there ain't no doubt. He's by my side, he shines.
If you don't see me, I'm the one who's skin colored.
Skin color.
Yeah, I'm skin colored.
And when I'm weak, he's
I'm
always
very
strong.
different. Hi.
The weather is so humid.
What?
The weather is humid. The hair is not fresh.
To the far.
Oh, there's one more. Oh, wow.
It's not better than the water park. It's not better than the water park.
It's not better than the one we are.
But look how big this is. And look how big we are. But it could be very deep. Yeah, imagine we were on that pool. Imagine.
So those boys jumped into the water. That's what they are looking at, and they are fishing actually. Go for me. Go for me. Be careful. I'm here. I'm watching.
It is how
So they
there
turn their
is
name
a
and they
light.
catch some
It
fishes.
is shining for you and me. Just open your heart.
This is Golden Beach.
Open your
Sunshine
eyes.
Coast,
Show
Calandra.
you his
Funny boy,
might
yeah.
and glory.
Beach is so nice. Like, you know the weather is humid, but
I want
still,
to my own fishing ball.
I never fall. He lifts me up and turns his face towards me. And in his eyes I see his love. I take his hand, he leads me home. Lead me home to the Father's house. I'm in the Father's house. I say a prayer and he takes me there. Home to the Father's house. Come and see what I have seen. Come and sing his praise with me. All your pain he'll wash away. He'll break your chains and set you free.
Akọ̀wé kọ wúrà.
And you be free. Here in the
Akọ̀wé kọ wúrà. Are you ready?
say a prayer and he takes you there.
We're going to another swimming pool.
So we are going to the pool now.
Yeah.
Grandpa, let's go.
Are you going to swim?
Yes.
I'm in the
Yeah.
Father's house. Come to the Father's house. I say a prayer and he takes me there. Home to the Father's house.
Àwọn àpapọ̀ ìgbà tí mi tí mọ̀ sún ìjọba mi nídìí náà ló máa wọnú ẹ̀ ebi tó ń gbé tẹ́lẹ̀ tí n bá wọnú ẹ̀ bọ́ máa kó mi yẹn máa gbé mi lọ.
ń ṣọ̀pù láti wọ́n ti sọ fún bàbá mi.
I'm editing my video. I'm done. Like I'm so done. See this clip. Let me show you guys.
What type of boat? Could be a tea boat. Who wants water park?
àwọn ọ̀gá ìjọ́pọ̀ ìjọba bẹ́ẹ̀.
Jamaya, no eating.
ó ń dó bẹ̀ mí.
Eti the bread. Garlic bread.
Mama, you can finish that because that's mine.
Ma put us in omita, mama. Garlic butter and got to spread the lorry. Okay.